Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into something perfect for the spooky season. If you're looking to add a touch of horror to your decorations or personal items, you're in the right place. Introducing the best scary Halloween stickers, the 100 PCs horror stickers from the POTOTA store. These stickers are not just your average decals. They're designed to unleash your inner horror enthusiast. The collection features a variety of spooky designs, ideal for decorating laptops, skateboards, luggage, cars, bikes, and so much more. Whether you're a fan of classic horror films, supernatural elements, or just love the thrill of Halloween, these stickers have you covered. Each sticker is crafted from high-quality, waterproof PVC material, ensuring that they stand the test of time, whether indoors or out. These stickers are resistant to sun damage and won't fade easily, making them perfect for long-lasting decoration. You can apply them to almost any surface, be it wood, glass, plastic, or metal. What's even better, they're incredibly easy to use. Each sticker is pre-cut, so all you need to do is peel off the protective film from the back, and you're ready to go. You can let your imagination run wild as you personalize your belongings, creating a unique look that truly represents your love for horror. These stickers also make an excellent gift for friends, family, or anyone who enjoys the eerie side of life. Halloween is right around the corner, and what better way to get into the spirit than by gifting a collection of spooky stickers? They're great for DIY projects and can even serve as fun decorations for Halloween parties or haunted house events. Imagine decorating your laptop for school or work with these vibrant, creepy stickers. They'll surely be a conversation starter. Or think about jazzing up your skateboard to stand out at the skate park. With 100 stickers in one pack, you'll have plenty to work with, whether you want to cover an entire surface or just sprinkle them throughout your belongings. Remember, if you're planning to use these stickers for Halloween, ordering them soon is a smart move. They can be delivered right to your doorstep, ensuring you have everything ready for your Halloween celebrations. So, if you're ready to unleash some horror into your life or surprise a loved one with the perfect gift, the 100 PCs horror stickers from POTOTA are the way to go. You can find the link to purchase these fantastic stickers in the description below. That wraps up today's review of the best scary Halloween stickers. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Product Critique, and tap the notification bell for more product reviews and insights. Thanks for watching, and happy haunting!